God people, me telling about country living in a watch out. Apple, you know? These are apple, one whole bag of apple. I just picked them. And look at those. Mango. Start get look like that already. Yes. And we can show you, see there? Country living. Country living, my friend. Watch it. Mango the pan tree there. Yes. Country living. See the apple tree here. The apple tree there. And I want to tell you something. I just climbed the apple tree. Just climb it and get some, pick some apple. And if I tell us, you come on the tree, you can't done them. See me? That are quiet. See some up top. Can't done them. See me all the way up. Holy pahapa, holy pahapa. Country living. Yes, man. See, this nice thing you can get in the country. All of them nice thing, you know, say. Fruits, you know. Fruits are the boss. Hmm? Yeah, man, fruits. I want to tell you now, my friend. A Sabbath evening, this evening. It's at the evening, you know. Yes. We're little more me and these mangoes. Yes, God are provided. Yeah, God provide. Yes, man. Me and them are gonna eat up. Yeah. Me I tell you, my friend. Me I tell you, no miss it. Yeah. Country living. Yes, man. Whole heap of fruits. Whole heap of fruits. More than what you can eat. Yeah, man. Whole heap. Some things I'm not even show you yet. I'm not even show you the. I didn't even show you the custard tree, which are the sweet soursop tree. Didn't even show you that yet. So look good, you can see I one plant on the side there. Yeah. Nice planting. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I didn't even show you all them things there yet. Custard tree and the pear tree and hockey. Oh, yeah, see, man. Country living, I boss. Hockey. Hmm? See, me I tell you, my friend, maybe I don't understand what me I say. I look at the pimento tree doors, you know. It's a nice view over to the side of the sea there. Yeah, man, can hear all the bird them a sing out. Hear them there? Yeah? Yes, my friend, and that a go on pan. That a go on pan, what a go on right now. The other places, you know. The other places. You know, say in that country, sometimes you can set up a little thing. You see that sitting here? It's a mango tree. So what other mango? So I like one little tank. You know, store some water and thing. Yeah. Store water, you can get water for use. Some little water, some little something and thing. Yeah, man, and that a go on. Country living, the boss. Yes.